This video is to highlight how to do the first assignment titled Vocabulary. Right here will be the brief instructions for each assignment that you will have. To do the first assignment, you will click on the PowerPoint. It is going to define different terms for you. You will simply go through the different slides, read through them. Right here will be your assignment. To open it, you will click it. Then you need to define each one of these bolded terms. So you need to put down the definition of foodborne illness, virus, bacteria, and so forth. To get these answers, you will get them from the PowerPoint. And they are just right here. So foodborne illness, an illness that more than one person gets as a result of eating contaminated food. You would type that right here. When you are done, you will exit out of this assignment, exit out of your slideshow. Then you simply just need to click Turn In. I then have access to grade it.